What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are playing Flood Escape 2 but on Chaos. I made a new account for this to show you how hard it is. So here we go. So I'm about to join the Chaos server, let me just get in. And Flood Escape 2 has added locators. So I'm on Flood Escape 2 Chaos. That's my name. Oh, Mario and Castle Stadium is okay. Let's go to Chaos. You're requesting to teleport to Chaos? Sure. Yes, we're teleporting to the Chaos. Okay, so I played this before and it's really hard. So let's go. Okay, let's go. Okay, so this goes really fast. So Dr. Carlitos is on the game right now. We see he's doing really good at this. And this person likes doing that so he can pretend that he's a really good player and he knows glitches. But all you have to do is go in and quickly go out. It only happens. Okay, we're in. Okay, let's go. As you can see, I just died. So you need to jump on. Let me show you. So look, my name is Flood Escape Kill. So look, this is what you need to do. So you see these things. You're meant to jump on them and like they're both like that. You're meant to bounce on both of them. Then it leads you to the next piece. You're meant to go back and forth until you've reached the top. So let's wait. Let's see these people doing it. Dr. Carlitos is doing it very well. Since he's a really good player, I hope he wouldn't mind if he got a shout out. Dr. _Carlitos. Carlitos. That's his name. And if you want to search him up, it's Dr. _Carlitos. So that's his name. So if you like to see him, just search up that and then you will get him, and then he is now, if you want to follow him, just go follow him. So let's watch them while they do their stuff. Oh, Snow Peak. Okay, Snow Peak. This is kind of hard. There's no Bacon Man. Support the Bacon Man crew. Going? I'll go. These people are doing it. Oh, this is not good. Man, I think this gives me bad luck. Bad luck, Bacon Man. Bad luck, Bacon Man. I think Bacon Mans get bad luck. People hate them. I like Bacon Man. To play the game. It shows you how hard it is. I did filters if you're secret. Let me just get to it. Oh, this person trying to find it out. Person, you'll never find it out. I'm sorry. Oh, this person's probably so sad since he can't find the scrap. Snowy Peaks. It's kind of a hard level, but then again, we'll tell you. Yeah, you're dead. I hope you enjoyed. How is he surviving that lava? Oh, I think he just, or I think it just, I thought you had a bad word and said no, it doesn't. Oh, he is probably like, okay, lava tower. Oh, I love lava tower. Okay, this will show you how. Pieces. I am too scared. Too sweet. Too sweet. Okay, I'm doing it. This is I've actually done this before because it's someone wouldn't actually do it. I've did this on because like this thing's hard. Like me? Okay. Everyone died, I think. Okay, so we got Flood Escape Chaos. Money. Okay. Everyone, I think we're gonna win this. So, I'm promising we win this. Okay. Okay, I've been here so I know what to do. Parental Bro by Awesome 3 Epic. Awesome. Okay, let's go. Okay, so I'm Bacon Man Fruitless. I love this. Carlitos is probably like oh yeah, I thought like I was like, oh no. Okay, everyone run. Even the mini guys are like, no, this can't be. The mini guys can't jump. Oh, that's scary. This is scary. If I fall in, I'll be so angry. Okay. Jump on the bricks. The bricks give you an advantage. I'm gonna try and do something. Oh no. Oh no. Big man. Come on, get up. Oh no, I didn't get it. That's not good. So, okay, let's do this the last round. So let's do this. Okay, everyone else is probably, how are you so bad at this game? Because I have played this game, but it is very hard. So, okay. Bacon Hair Fruitless. Do everything I say. Let's say it from the chat. Oh, this is scary. Even on a laggy account, it's scary. Oh, I'm doing it. If I can do this, I'll be so happy. Okay, do this. No, I just want to do this. Because there's no saving whenever you fall. You're dead after you fall. Okay, go. Everyone's probably like in real life, like so scared. Oh, there's no coming back after dead. There's no coming back. Okay, so that was the video to prove you how hard this is. I only got 2 coins, but that is enough. So if you would like to find this game name, it is FOLOODESCAPECHAOS2. If you would like to find out that name, I hope you enjoyed the video, and please remember to leave a like and subscribe if you want more content on this channel. So bye. Oh, it's not.